Hey everyone, today for a quick test and assemble I have the Bosch drill. Okay, and we can see the problem here, and that's why I have hardly removed the housing. It's a wiring bullet out. Okay. The brown wire was connected with the red wire, and it's bonnet. Of course, I think I can assemble them. And the blue wire was connected with another blue. Okay, so now I need to find a way how to connect them properly and safely. Now definitely I need to figure out how can I join these wires, and this one is bonnet, this one is bonnet, the blue one. Okay. The connections are totally destroyed, and what I will have here, I will have the, it will be enough to connect them, I hope. If not, I will be forced to remove this ring probably, and I need to clean this plastic, I think, a little bit from the burn marks. Okay, the blue, and brown with the brown, or the red one, sorry. The bonnet part of the plastic. Okay, now I need to find a way to get everything fit. Okay, this one will really fit here. And see that I need some space for my connections. So probably I need to break this plastic piece here to get some space. Okay, so you can see I have a problem with this ring, and it's not very good to remove it. Okay, but it will, yeah, it can cause a problem, so I will break it. Yep. Bye-bye. Okay, now we can see that we have this connection here, this one will be here, this will be here, and the wires will fit. Okay, seems that everything will fit good. Here, now what we have the LED light. We have the button. Okay, looks good. Anti-vibration technology. Okay, found it. Okay. We'll brush some dust here. And now we can try to close it. And yeah, normally I think we need to remove this one to get everything disassembled and assembled. I've got a terminal in place. can see that my spring is a problem here. Okay, not a problem anymore. Okay, try to tighten it. And I have one screw missing. Okay, I need to find it. Closing the gap, and now we can try to turn it on. Okay, nice, so it's working. It was only the problem, the bad smell and loss of lack of power was because of the bad electric contact, because of the pulled wires. So it was easy fix. Thank you for watching, and for now, bye.